Here's Jenny Emick, a design lead at Square.
One of my favorite rituals is how we transformed one-on-ones within my team. For context, I did this because I heard feedback that people weren't having regular conversations around career development with their managers outside of review cycles. While people had standing one-on-ones with their managers, we lacked structure that prioritized career development conversations on a regular basis. If notes were captured during these one-on-ones, they were done so largely in forever scrolling Google Docs, where meaningful career development feedback became buried very quickly under other notes. We also kept separate development plans in spreadsheets, and so the feedback around career development delivered in one-on-ones was disconnected from those development plans. So I created a doc in Coda, essentially a toolkit for leads that focuses on professional development. Here are a few key parts that I want to share with you about the doc. First off, every doc starts with a partnership agreement, and this is an opportunity for every manager and employee to write down their expectations for one another. Kind of sets the tone for the relationship. There's also a page for one-on-one notes and clear action items, so you have a follow-up after every one-on-one. Most importantly, there's a distinct page for career path discussions. This is where we define goals and a clear path on how to get there. I also integrated things that had historically lived all over the place, such as kudos and hype docs, how we keep track of the amazing things our employees do. In retrospect, the reason this doc was so broadly adopted is that it's a simple tweak to an existing ritual, one-on-ones with your lead.
The reason I love Jenny's ritual in particular is because it's emblematic of how a lot of rituals start. Someone solves a problem for themselves or their team, and they end up creating a ritual that reinforces the culture. Word got around about Jenny's doc, and it spread like wildfire through Square and even beyond Square. The doc actually caught on hundreds of companies, including Netflix and Spotify. We even modeled our own one-on-one template at Coda after hers. It's amazing to me how one maker's well-designed ritual positively impacted potentially thousands of manager-employee relationships at hundreds of different companies.